how to play games on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to play games directly in Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select the conversation with the person you want to play games with. Tap the plus icon at the bottom left corner. A menu will pop up. Select Play Games. This will direct you to the Messenger gaming section, where you can choose from a selection of 9 available games. If you are looking for a wider variety of games, you will need to access Facebook Gaming. I have a tutorial on that, and you can find the link in the description or in the video card above. Now choose a game to play in Messenger. For example, let's open this pool game. Single tap on it to open. Then it will automatically redirect you to the Facebook Gaming. That's why I recommend using Facebook Games directly if you want to play more variety of games. So check out my Facebook Gaming tutorial for more details. Finally, tap play on Facebook and the game will start loading. Then you are now ready to enjoy the pool game or any other game you prefer. And boom, you have successfully learned how to play games on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.